I'm scared. I'm scared of black girls. I don't know what it is. Like I'm afraid like a black girl's gonna just beat me up. I don't know. I'm scared because like I don't know. They intimidate me. They scare me. Like I don't know. I'm scared of them. I don't know. Like,
I'm gonna go in any minute now. My name is Buffy, and I got a huffy. There was a wolf and he was puffing and puffing, blowing my dick down, and I'ma just keep flowing. I'ma just keep going, like the, wait, hold on. My name is Buffy, and I got a huffy. There was a wolf and he was huffing and puffing and blowing my dick down, and I'm just gonna keep going, cause I'm really flowing, like the discharge from an HIV patient. Yeah, under the black lights, it's glowing. Yeah, you know who it is. It's Maddie Matt with a fat ass, like a stallion, like a freaking horse. Cause of course, there's nothing sexier than a horse. Not a stallion with a big battalion of big dick dudes on my ass, like a train hopper on a caboose. If you choose to battle me, you lose. Cause you're loose like a used papoose, and you're dirty like a used up goose. So listen up, cause I'm really going in now. Yeah, I'm in charge and I'm large. Yeah. I'm a super trooper, hit you in the pooper, make your ass a drooper. Yeah, you know. Yeah, you know I got. Yeah, you know you have some nice shoes. Yeah, and you know you shouldn't be a detective because you don't get the clues. Yeah, and I hope, and you look like you eat glue. Yeah, and I hope a dog poops in your shoes. Yeah. Do you want more bars? Because I can give them to you, but I don't think you want them. No, you don't want them, because I'm really gonna be coming at you like a freaking absolute maniac. Oh man, like, dude, it's crazy. It's like wild, like it's insane.
Wait, your video will start soon. But before that, if you are new, please subscribe to our channel Boss Tunes. If you like any of our video, do give a like and share with your friends. Thank you.
Girl, you are the one for me. I'm a little afraid to talk to you, girl. Clifford the big red dog knows that I need to talk to this girl because I'm Mr. McDougal and I need to talk to this girl. Look at my face. I need to talk to this girl because this girl is mine. Yeah. Yeah.